High wind warning in effect from 4 p.m. Tuesday to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday. South winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected for the north and central coast of Oregon, including the following locations: Clatsop County Coast, Tillamook County Coast, and central coast of Oregon, including the cities of Tillamook, Florence, Niskayuna, Pacific City, Waldport, Warrenton, Astoria, Cannon Beach, Manzanita, Newport, Lincoln City, Seaside, and Rockaway Beach. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected, and travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Stronger gusts to 70 miles per hour are possible on beaches and headlands. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Residents, visitors, and motorists must exercise extra caution until the winds subside.